Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langley Guide. I am Saurav Rokle and today I am going to present some MCQ on the topic The Felling of the Banyan Tree by Dilip Chitre on behalf of Professor Balasaheb Rokle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe our channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. The Felling of the Banyan Tree is written by dash dash. The options are A. Dilip Purushottam Chitre, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Sarojini Naidu, or D. Nizam Ezekiel. The correct option is A. Dilip Purushottam Chitre. Question number 2. Dilip Chitre is a bilingual writer. He writes poetry both in English and dash dash. The options are A. Hindi, B. Marathi, C. Tamil, or D. Gujarati. The correct option is B. Marathi. Question number 3. Dilip Chitre was born in Baroda on 17 September dash dash. The options here are A. 1934, B. 1931, C. 1938, or D. 1935. The correct option is C. 1938. Question number 4. Dilip Chitre was a teacher, painter, dash dash, and a magazine columnist. The options are A. Judge, B. Filmmaker, C. Dancer, or D. Actor. The correct option is B. Filmmaker. Question number 5. Dilip Chitre died at his residence in Pune on 10 December dash dash. The options are A. 2008, B. 2009, C. 2005, or D. 2004. The correct option is B. 2009. Question number 6. Dilip Chitre's most famous translation is of the celebrated 17th century Marathi Bhakti poet Tukaram, published as Says Tuka 1991 and dash dash by the 12th century Bhakti poet Jnaneshwar. The options here are A. Says Jnaneshwar, B. Says Jnanoba, C. Anubhavamrut, or D. Says Jnandev. The correct option is C. Anubhavamrut. Question number 7. Dash dash published in 1980 was his first and only collection of English poetry. The options here are A. Travelling in a Cage, B. Says Tuka, C. Anthology of Poetry, or D. Poetry Behind River. The correct option is A. Travelling in a Cage. Question number 8. Dilip Chitre is a winner of dash dash award. The options are A. Filmfare, B. Sahitya Ratna, C. Veer Chakra, or D. Sahitya Akademi. The correct option is D. Sahitya Akademi. Question number 9. Dilip Chitre lived and taught in dash dash and USA. The options are Ethiopia, B. England, C. Sri Lanka, or D. Bangladesh. The correct option is A. Ethiopia. Question number 10. Exile, alienation, that is isolation, self-disintegration, and dash dash are major themes in Dilip Chitre's poetry. The options are A. Religion, B. Death, C. Politics, or D. Education. The correct option is B. Death. Question number 11. Dilip Chitre's poems reflect a cosmopolitan culture and urban sensibility and use of oblique expressions and ironic tones to explore the vicissitudes, that is variation of dash dash life. The options are A. Rustic, B. Village, C. Urban, or D. Country. The correct option is C. Urban. Question number 12. The cutting down of banyan seems to signify the cutting down of dash dash civilization. The options are A. Branch, B. Roots, C. Trunk, or D. Fruit. The correct option is B. Roots. Question number 13. The banyan tree is a metaphor for the speaker's dash dash. The options are A. Family history, B. Self-identity, C. Village life, or D. Poet's father. The correct option is A. Family history. Question number 14. The banyan tree stands in the yard of the poet's dash dash. The options are A. House, B. Bungalow, C. Apartment, or D. Cottage. The correct option is A. House. Question number 15. The Felling of the Banyan Tree is a free verse poem of 3 stanzas with dash dash lines in total. The options are A. 21, B. 24, C. 25, or D. 27. The correct option is C. 25. Question number 16. The Felling of the Banyan Tree as a poem is symbolical, mythical, and dash dash as it hides in many a shred of thought and thinking from different points of view. The options here are A. Emotional, B. Patriotic, C. Spiritual, or D. Ecocentric. The correct option is D. Ecocentric. Question number 17. Uprootedness and destruction of dash dash are the themes of the poem. The options are A. House, B. Tree, C. Ecosystems, or D. Hill. The correct option is C. Ecosystems. Question number 18. The style of the poem, The Felling of the Banyan Tree, is dash dash. The options are A. Villanelle, B. Graffiti, C. Story, or D. Controversial. The correct option is D. Controversial. Question 19th. Who told the tenants to leave? The options are A. Poet's father, B. Poet's mother, C. Municipality, or D. Poet's grandmother. The correct option is A. Poet's father. Question number 20. Where did the tenants live? The options are A. In the flats, B. In their own houses, C. In the apartment, or D. In poets' houses on the hill. The correct option is D. In poets' houses on the hill. Question 21. One by one, the structures were demolished. Here, demolish means dash dash. The options are A. Build, B. Destroy, C. Construct, or D. Renovation. The correct option is B. Destroy. Question number 22. What is grandmother's view about trees? The options are A. Trees are shelters of bird, B. Trees give shade, C. Trees are sacred, or D. Trees are huge. The correct option is C. Trees are sacred. Question 23. According to grandmother, felling trees is a dash dash. The options are A. Crime, B. Boon, C. Sacred, or D. Hard work. The correct option is A. Crime. Question 24. Poet's house is surrounded with the shevga, the neem, the banyan, and the dash dash. The options are A. Mango, B. Ashoka, C. People, or D. Audumbar. The correct option is D. Audumbar. Question 25. Felling them is a crime, but he massacred them all. Here, massacred means dash dash. The options are A. Watered, B. Uprooted, C. Ruthlessly kill, or D. Cut branches. The correct option is C. Ruthlessly kill. Question 26. Which tree was the most problematic to cut down? The options are A. People, B. Audumbar, C. Shevga, or D. Banyan. The correct option is D. Banyan. Question 27. How is the banyan tree referred as a problem in the poem? The options are A. Spacious, B. Useless, C. Huge and deep rooted, or D. Shelter of birds. The correct option is C. Huge and deep rooted. Question 28. How does the poet describe the height of the banyan tree? The options are A. 75 feet, B. 3 times to poet's house, C. 80 feet, or D. 845 centimeters. The correct option is B. 3 times to the poet's house. Question 29. How much the circumference of the banyan tree? The options are A. 50 feet, B. 80 feet, C. 75 feet, or D. 100 feet. The correct option is A. 50 feet. Question 30. Its scraggly aerial roots fell to the ground. Here, scraggly means dash dash. The options are A. Long, B. Sturdy, C. Untidy, or D. Straight. The correct option is C. Untidy. Question 31. How many days the woodcutters take to cut the banyan tree? The options are A. 2, B. 5, C. 8, or D. 7. The correct option is D. 7. Question 32. Why did the birds and insects leave the banyan tree? The options are A. It is cut down, B. Absence of water, C. No leaves, or D. Absence of food. The correct option is A. It is cut down. Question 33. How many men were engaged to cut the huge banyan tree? The options are A. 7, B. 5, C. 8, or D. 50. The correct option is D. 50. Question 34. How old was the banyan tree? The options are A. 200 years, B. 300 years, C. 100 years, or D. 150 years. The correct option is A. 200 years. Question 35. Poet's father is described as dash dash. The options are A. Kind, B. Generous, C. Good, or D. Perverse or wicked. The correct option is D. Perverse or wicked. Question 36. What kinds of equipments are used to cut down the banyan tree? The options are A. Knife cutting machine, B. Axe and saw, C. Drill and notcher, or D. Laser cutter. The correct option is B. Axe and saw. Question 37. How does the poet describe the trunk of the banyan tree? The options are A. Massive, B. Small, C. Attractive, or D. Decorative. The correct option is A. Massive. Question 38. Soon afterwards, poet's family shifts from Baroda for dash dash. The options are A. Madras, B. Bombay, C. Hyderabad, or D. Bangalore. The correct option is B. Bombay. Question 39. In the poem, The Felling of the Banyan Tree, dash dash narrative technique is used. The options are A. Third person, B. First person, C. Second person, or D. Quest narrative. The correct option is B. First person. Question 40. Who is the speaker of the poem The Felling of the Banyan Tree? The options are A. Poet's father, B. The poet, C. Poet's grandmother, or D. The tenants. The correct option is B. The poet. Question 41. We watched in terror and fascination this dash dash. The options are A. Cutting, B. Slaughter, C. Felling, or D. Aerial roots. The correct option is B. Slaughter. Question 42. What does the poet remember while living in Bombay? The options are A. Grandmother, B. The banyan tree, C. Tenants, or D. Woodcutters. The correct option is B. The banyan tree. Question 43. The poet remembers his childhood in the poem. The technique of narration is called dash. The options are A. Flash forward, B. Flashback, C. Irony, or D. Satire. The correct option is B. Flashback. Question 44. We get the age of the tree through its dash dash. The options are A. Roots, B. Circumference, C. Branches, or D. Rings. The correct option is D. Rings. Question 45. But the huge banyan tree stood like a problem is an example of dash dash. The options are A. Simile, B. Personification, C. Metaphor, or D. Antithesis. The correct option is A. Simile. Question 46. One by one, the structures were demolished. Only our own house remained is an example of dash dash. The options are A. Simile, B. Antithesis, C. Metaphor, or D. Hyperbole. The correct option is B. Antithesis. Question 47. The words used in the poem like demolish, massacred, cut down, and removed indicate sense of dash dash. The options are A. Contradiction, B. Pacification, C. Construction, or D. Destruction. The correct option is D. Destruction. Question 48. 50 men with axes chopped and chopped is an example of dash dash. The options are A. Alliteration, B. Metaphor, C. Repetition and onomatopoeia, or D. Personification. The correct option is C. Repetition and onomatopoeia. Question number 49. We watched in terror and fascination this slaughter is an example of dash dash. The options are A. Antithesis, B. Alliteration, C. Repetition, or D. Metaphor. The correct option is A. Antithesis. Question number 50. The poem The Felling of the Banyan Tree explains importance of dash dash. The options are A. Baroda, B. Childhood, C. Grandmother, or D. Environment. The correct option is D. Environment. So that's it for today. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and be sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you to spare time with us.